Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something kind of simple to the new Tundra. We're going to change the wheels and tires from the factory stock 20s to a factory 18-inch with just a little meatier tire on it. So stick around, I'll walk you through the steps and then we'll reset the TPMS in this. But don't forget to torque your lug nuts. Now we'll go inside and reset the TPMS. Okay, so this is a multi-step process to get this done. And you may wonder why. You need to register first the ID for the wheels, and then you need to set have it read the pressure. So the first thing you want to do is start off by having the tires pressurized the way you want them. I have mine set to 38. Next thing we're going to do is we need to register the ID codes. And the reason why you would want to do this is you can have two sets of tires, wheels and tires, registered to your truck. So that if you have a set of, say, snow tires and then your summer tires, that's how you would go ahead and do that. So for this one, you first want to start by registering the ID codes. So what we're going to do is go into our menu here. First you want to park in a good place, and it takes about 25 minutes to do this, so be prepared. So here we'll go into our menu, and we'll go to our vehicle settings and hit OK. Next we're going to go down here to the TPWS, press OK, and now we're going to select change. Well, obviously I don't have that there, so we're going to identify each wheel in position. And then we identify that. And we're supposed to wait till it blinks 3 times. Looks like it's blinking more than that. When registration is being performed, it will blink for approximately 1 minute, then illuminate, and dashes will be shown for the inflation pressure of each tire. Then we're going to drive straight at approximately 25 miles an hour for 10 to 30 minutes, and then when the registration is complete, the warning light will go off and the tire pressure will be displayed for each tire. So if it doesn't register after an hour of driving, then you need to redo this again. So I'm going to start driving, and then we'll get this part done, and then we'll set the pressure. So it didn't take very long for mine to register the ID codes. So once you finish that, then you need to initialize the tire pressure warning system. So we want to park it in a safe place, wait 20 minutes or more, and then we want to get the tire pressure the way it should be, and then we're going to start the engine, and then we're going to go to our vehicle settings, and then down here to the vehicle settings, press OK, and then we're going to go down here to the tire pressure warning system, and then we're going to set the pressure, and then the set pressure is accepted, and then let's see, we press and hold it, the warning light will blink 3 times, which it's doing there. And now, after we do that, we drive straight at approximately 25 miles an hour for 10 to 30 minutes. And then when the initialization is complete, the pressure of each tire will be displayed. So when you're doing this, the only thing you want to do is continue to drive forward and not backwards. So I'm going to do that now and get this all completed. So that's how you change the wheels and tires and then reset the TPMS sensor. One thing I did want to make clear is in the part where you register the air pressure portion of the video, I said you drive straight, you actually drive forward. So I don't want somebody running into a wall or anything, but you got to drive forward. If you go backwards, for whatever reason, that'll mess up the calibration. So don't do that. Anyways, make sure you torque your nuts. As always, thanks for watching.